Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chili oil. So first things first, I started by removing these little stems from the chilies. After that, I chopped them into smaller pieces, and honestly I had to put on a plastic paper because the chilies can be dangerous on their hands. You know how it is. You touch your face or your mouth, later suddenly everything is on fire. So I wasn't ready for that kind of drama. Next, I took my pot and heated up the oil until it was nice and hot. Once it boiled, I let it cool down for a few minutes, not completely, just enough so it's still hot but not smoking. Then I added my chopped onions, minced garlic and some ginger. I didn't want to brown them too much because I like that slightly fresh taste from this mixture. And also my plan was to use the chili oil within a few days. So I didn't want to keep it for a long time. So if you want it to last longer though, you can cook the onions a bit more or even add lemon juice so it preserves better. Once the onions had cooked for a little while on medium heat, I then added some chopped chilies and some salt. I just let everything cook together for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that was it. Simple and done. And let me tell you, this was a 10 out of 10. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss more content like this. And look at that. Please tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe and it was 10 out of 10.